In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to review the balance sheet report for clients in QuickBooks Accountant. Whether you're double-checking month-end figures or preparing for a client meeting, the balance sheet is your snapshot of what the business owns, what it owes, and the owner's stake at a specific point in time. We'll move through the workflow, then I'll point out what to look for in each section so your review is fast and reliable. First, sign into QuickBooks Accountant using your firm credentials. Once you are in, open your client's company file so the report pulls data for the correct business. It sounds simple, but it prevents mix-ups when you manage multiple clients. On the left sidebar, select Reports. This takes you to the Reporting Center. Under the Standard tab, locate Balance Sheet and open it. If it doesn't appear right away, use the search bar at the top of the page and choose the Standard Balance Sheet option. Next, set the date range for the period you want to review. Because the balance sheet is a point-in-time report, pick an as-of date that matches your closing date, end of month, quarter, or year. Keep it consistent with the period used in your client's other financial statements so comparisons line up. If you'd like to narrow the view, apply filters. Class and location filters are helpful for clients who track departments, locations, or projects. Filtering by account type can simplify what you see by focusing on just assets, liabilities, or equity. Make your selections, then click Run Report to refresh the results. Now review the key sections. In Assets, look at current assets like bank accounts, accounts receivable, and inventory, followed by long-term assets such as fixed assets. Confirm balances look reasonable, that cash is reconciled, and that fixed assets reflect any recent additions or disposals. Move to Liabilities. Current liabilities typically include accounts payable, credit cards, and short-term portions of loans, while long-term obligations hold the remaining loan balances. Ensure vendor balances make sense, loan totals match statements, and there are no unexpected negative amounts. Finish with Equity. You'll see owner's equity and retained earnings. Check that retained earnings tie to prior period results and that any owner contributions or distributions are posted to the correct equity accounts. When you're done, you can share the results. Click Export at the top and choose Excel or PDF to send a clean copy to your client or to archive with your work papers. That's the complete review process. Follow these steps each period, and your balance sheet analysis will stay accurate, consistent, and quick.